Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to get any game for free. We'll start with the tutorial as soon as I've made a couple of things clear. Alright, firstly, you cannot play multiplayer with cracked or pirated games. It is close to impossible, so if you are picking the game because you want the multiplayer, it is not going to work. Secondly, only the site that I will show you is safe. Most of the other sites are packed with viruses. Therefore, I would not recommend going anywhere else. Without much more talking, let's get right into the video. What you wanna do is go on any browser and type up Ocean of Games. Once you hit enter, this site will come up, oceanofgames.com. Click on the link. Once you've clicked the link, you'll be redirected to the homepage of the site. If you wanna search for a specific game, you go to the search bar here. The game I wanna download is called BioShock. Once you found the game you wanna download, you just click on it, read the system requirements, and just scroll down until you see the blue download button. Just click on that. You'll be redirected to this website, which starts the download automatically. After the download finishes, you should have a zip file in your downloads folder, and all you have to do next is extract it somewhere. Once the download finishes, you wanna go where you extracted the file. You'll find something similar to this. Click on Setup. Click OK. Click OK again. And then a window like this should pop up. What you wanna do is go to next. After you selected the location, click next. Make sure to have English ticked. In this case, I do not want to create a start menu folder. If you are doing this for the first time, you just wanna have them ticked. Always make sure that this is ticked. Click install and then wait. After the installation has finished, you just need to click finish and then go to the place you installed the game in. All you have to do is click on the exe file, run it as an administrator, click yes, and the game should be starting. So that's it with this video guys, and I'll see you later.
Tonight.